I'm typically a dreamer of design, but our sponsor PCBWay can turn those dreams into reality. So you don't have a CNC machine or heavy-duty 3D printing. You also probably don't have personal ability to do injection molding or sheet metal fabrication, but you do have an idea for a custom PC tower build to be your end-all, be-all, everything chassis. PCBWay offers all of the services you need to manufacture and produce your designs. Check the link down below to get started today. Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt with 86, and real quick I wanted to talk about OEM keycaps. Now I'll make this video as quick as I can and just talk a little bit about them, but I'm here to sort of alleviate anybody that might have some sort of apprehension in regards to these, because when you shop around you may have concerns, something like that, buy cheap, buy twice sort of thing, and I just wanted to let you guys know these are the keycaps I use, testimony if you will. And really when you get them, it's really nothing fancy. They come to you in a small box, looks like this. Inside that box they're going to be in a Ziploc bag. These are just some I've had for a minute. Nothing fancy. And next to said bag in that box, just a plastic keycap puller. And that's really all you should expect to be getting from the box. I'm currently looking at a 60% keyboard, and I've never really talked about these, but let me go ahead and do that just really quickly. They are double shot injection PBT keycaps. The double shot's not super pretty on the underside, but I'm not really concerned with that as long as it diffuses the light well. They're thick enough not to have a lot of light bleed on the keycaps themselves, and they always look pretty nice. A nice pro tip too is that if you buy multiple different packs, because they're pretty easy for me to kind of get away from myself with that. You can mix and match and make all kinds of pretty neat looking things by doing this. Now I'm somebody that plays with a lot of keyboards and I go through a lot of keyboards, so I try to keep a lot of keycaps on hand. That way when I get something I can add a little flair to it, make it look a little nicer and have a little bit of fun with it. There has never been one instance in all the time that I bought their keycaps that I've had an issue with them. They are cross-stem compatible keycaps, so if you have a cross-stem switch, you should be able to put it on there. Whether it's an oval braced one, whether it's an unbraced one, or a rectangle braced one, you can fit them on there. There's something I've gone to for years. There's something I'll continue to go to. I keep them stocked up here without even keyboards for them. Anyways, just wanted to quickly talk about them. They do last for a long time. I've been using one specifically on a test bench computer that I use quite regularly, and I've got no issues with them wearing out on me. I hope this was somewhat helpful to you. Just trying to give you a heads up in case you were just looking for that little bit of assurance that, you know, are these going to be okay? Should I be concerned about this? Anyways, you guys have a great day, night, whatever it is. I'll see you in the next video that I do.